Hello friends! Today we are learning about maps and finding our way. Maps help us know where we are in our big, beautiful world. Look at this colorful globe representing our round planet Earth we live on. A flat map shows us every land and every sea all at once. Long ago, people used the bright stars in the night sky for directions. The North Star is a special light that always points us toward north. Ancient explorers used simple drawings to remember where they traveled and explored. A compass is a cool tool with a needle that always points north. See the needle move as we turn the compass around in our hands. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west on every map. A compass rose looks like a bright star that points to every direction. Map legends help us understand what the tiny symbols and pictures really mean. A small blue line on a map usually means a flowing river nearby. Little green icons represent big, tall mountains reaching up into the fluffy clouds. Scales show us how far distances are between 2 different places on Earth. Some maps show big cities with many winding streets and bright town squares. Other maps show big parks with many trees and green grass for playing. Treasure maps have a big red X to show where secrets are hidden. Pirates used paper maps to find gold buried deep on sandy tropical islands. Today, we use satellites high in space to help us find our way. Satellites send signals down to our phones to show exactly where we are. A GPS helps people find the right way while they are walking along. Digital maps can zoom in close to see the gardens and tall trees. We can see photos of real streets from all around the whole world. Topographic maps show us the bumps and hills of the land we walk. Weather maps show us where the rain might fall and the sun shine. Star maps help us find the constellations and planets in the dark night sky. Sailors use nautical charts to travel safely across the deep, blue ocean waves. Look at the high clouds and imagine flying like a bird with maps. Large city maps show us all the walking paths and hidden park benches. You can even make a map of your backyard or a local park. Start by drawing the fence and where the flowers and trees grow. Maps help hikers find the right trails through the woods and over hills. Without maps, it would be very easy to get lost in new places. Cartographers are the clever people who study and draw all our amazing maps. They use math and science to make sure every line is perfectly straight. Some maps are very old and drawn on crinkly yellow paper with ink. New maps are updated all the time as our world changes and grows. National parks have maps to show us where the wild animals might live. You can follow a map to find a library or a fun park. Reading a map is like solving a puzzle that helps us explore more. Grab a map today and start your very own adventure in your neighborhood. We learned how maps and compasses help us explore our amazing world today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures with us. See you next time, little explorers. Keep searching and learning more. Bye-bye.